And this storm did far more damage in western Washington, where more than 500,000 people lost power during some really powerful winds. The storm was one of the strongest to hit Washington in decades. The winds toppled trees and snapped power lines. Power companies have warned that it will take days to get everyone back online. Many homes were also damaged or destroyed by the wind and trees. At least 2 people died during the storm. Drew Andre reports on one of those deaths that happened in Bellevue.
We're here in the Bridal Trails neighborhood, and everywhere you drive around there is debris on the ground, and we've seen a number of trees that have come down from the wind. Look at this one behind us here, right next to this little park. So you can see the root of the tree there and just that soft soil, and it's a pretty big tree that you have that just is draped over this street, which has blocked this street. But it's not the only one. Right across the street here, an even bigger tree. I mean, look how tall this root is. And it took out the mailbox right here. This is someone's front yard that you're looking at here. Now, this isn't the only example, though. Of course, there was a tragic situation also in Bridal Trails in this neighborhood. Last night around 7 o'clock, Bellevue Fire reported that there was a large tree that went down right onto that home and a woman was killed. Bellevue Fire says that at the time she was in the shower. Her husband then called 911. He was rescued out of there, but again, one person did die there. And back out here, you can see just another example of a tree down in the street here as people this morning had to deal with this as they woke up, and of course, lots of areas without power too. Reporting in Bellevue, Drew Andre, King 5 News.